Let me speak from my heart in English.
What is going on, guys? I'm Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you some cool techniques in filmmaking. These techniques should save a lot of time on your works. Let's take a look at what you can do. So guys, I hope you like this video.
Absolutely.
In this video I will use our video library package from videohive. This package allows you to save a lot of time in video editing process. Also, at this moment from June to August, we're making $100 giveaway for all customers. Check all rules on our site, link in comment section down below. So, as you can see, this comp has 67 layers and you can see what the hell is going on. But I promise we will create it for easy. Before start to using video library presets, you need to prepare your composition. I like to listen music and paste markers and which time I need to use some effects. I think it's very handy and very useful for this technique. Let's start to create first scene with lake. I think it will be very easy for us. So, for this scene with sunset over the lake, I would like to use grunge presets maybe. Let's go to grunge category and choose this one. Then press apply. The next step is move this layer over your footage. Maybe cut it for short animation, like this. Yep. Then you need to move on. Maybe yeah, I think it looks nice already, but I need to move it a little bit. The next thing what I need to do, I need to duplicate it. Press Ctrl D or Command D on Mac. Go time reverse layer. This thing I need to do because I won't make out animation similar like in animation. Then press this layer like this and see what happens. I think it looks awesome. As you can see, it rendered so fast in quarter and check in half maybe. Press half and see how it rendered in half. I think it's all about 15 seconds maybe. For this kind of effects it's very fast, I think. Well, the next is transition to this footage with girl. I think for this transition I need to use modern with smoke. I like very much these presets. I think this is one of best presets in video library. Let's cut it. Yep, maybe like this. Let's check what we see in our screen. Yeah, I think it's nice. Let's add some glitch maybe. I just add glitch and cut it maybe for short animation. I think it looks amazing and I like it very much. The main goal of next scene was add glitch only on background, not on all footage. All you need to do to create it and apply presets with glitches, maybe this one, Grunge, yeah. I like this preset very much and you can see I use it a lot of times. Let's cut it for short animation maybe. And as you can see, I like to use these markers. Also, as you can see, I just duplicated glitch preset from previous scene and use it in this scene too, why not? You can do whatever you want. The next step is mask. I need to use glitches only on background and I need to drag some simple mask on this girl. Just like this, not so good, but it's not bad. Please don't worry if your mask not perfect, for this scene it doesn't matter. Then you need to animate it, just go on next frame and move mask as like on screen. Turn back our layers and you can see the result. The glitch allows only on background. Also you can see how many times we save by using video library. And we have amazing glitches, just in 2 minutes maybe. The next scene, this scene with bridge. This is one of my favorite scenes. For this scene I used the default color key from After Effects. Just find it in Effects panel and apply. Type key and use this color key. Then just drag sky colors and delete the sky. Yeah, like this. Then you need to duplicate this layer and delete from one of them color key. As you can see we have two layers, one with color key, one without it. Well, then I just want to use grunge presets for it. Find this marker to sync your animation with music. Use this red grunge. You need to cut it to short animation and move a little bit. Then I need to use some like this. This is similar preset but have different color style. Move maybe for these glitches, yeah. Then you need to turn off the text from these presets. Just turn off and that is all. And wow, it's amazing. Just in 1 minute you have this amazing scene. Last but not least, scene with this guy. I like it very much. I think this is one of easiest scene of this video. Just find those markers and use VHS presets. In glitch category, scroll down, maybe this one. Then you need to turn off text, cut it for short animation. And I need to add one more preset for these sparks. Turn off text maybe. Yeah, this thing's so cool. I like this animation. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I'm really appreciated to record it for you. Please stay follow on this channel if you want to see some more cool videos.